Today we're excited to introduce you to the UPPAbaby Extra Aria car seat base, a game changer for parents using the Aria or Mesa Max infant car seats. This extra base offers unparalleled convenience, making it perfect for families with multiple vehicles, eliminating the hassle of swapping car seat bases between cars. Installation is a breeze with UPPAbaby's SmartSecure system, featuring an auto-retracting latch design, bubble level indicators, and red to green visual cues, all complemented by a 4-position adjustable foot for the perfect fit. Safety is paramount, and the included adjustable load leg enhances stability by limiting forward rotation during a collision, significantly reducing the risk of head or neck injuries. The Anti-Rebound Plus panel further boosts safety by minimizing the car seat's movement in a rear impact collision. For those who prefer seat belt installation, a built-in lock-off ensures a secure fit, while the smooth, finished bottom protects your car's interior. Plus, UPPAbaby offers complimentary virtual consultations with certified technicians for personalized support and service, ensuring you have peace of mind every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.